It's tech time, but finally Samsung Galaxy Fold hands-on video coming out. Most of all tech YouTuber now getting hands-on video on this device. I actually see these videos. I really impressed the Samsung Galaxy. Let's talk about some detailed feature and what you are missing in this device. Let's get started. The Galaxy Fold began shipping on April 26, but it likely to be very limited quantities. Okay, it's feel much more stable and polished than I expected going in, but there is still some work to do on the software. Okay, here is what you're really waiting for. You can see and feel the crease on the fold screen, but it's not really that noticeable, and perhaps what's the trade-off of having a big screen that you can fold up. It's a phone with 4.6-inch screen that fold up to reveal a 7.3-inch tablet inside. That's how we all thought of it. Anyway, as a foldable phone, overall thinking of it's a small tablet that happened to fold up. Overall the display, there is also a notch in the upper right corner which hosts two cameras and very proxy and light sensor that every phone needs. That notch does get in way sometime. YouTube, for example, was cut off on full screen videos. Although Samsung will allow you to hide the notch with black bar across the top of the display, similar to its current Galaxy device. In terms of software, there is a app continuity, Samsung branding for a Google Android feature that allow to app you are looking on a small screen to open up on the inside. Properly resizing apps has been a Android bugbear since forever, but Samsung and Google have worked together to fix that a lot of apps. And if you are a Samsung fan, you might be interesting to hear that the fingerprint sensor button is also the Bixby button. Above that is where you will find the traditional power and volume button. In terms of specification, the Galaxy Fold is very similar to a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It has the same Snapdragon 855 processor, 12GB RAM and 512GB of storage. The cameras are similar to what you find on that phone too, but there are more of them. The battery is 4380 mAh battery with cell on both sides of the fold. The S10 tech that is based on has compared itself fairly well in terms of battery life, so there is some reason to optimize the. In terms of camera, there is a triple camera setup on the back with one regular, one telephoto and one wide angle. When the phone is closed, there is single front facing camera 10 megapixel lens. When you have opened it onto tablet mode, there is a giant notch that hosts yet another camera plus a RGB depth sensing camera. As per the tech YouTuber experience, the folding screen does not feel as premium as other screen in this price category, but there is still plenty of reason to turn your eyes up at the Galaxy Fold, especially at the price of $1980. So that's all guys, hope you like this video. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.